connection can be solution. This is why I talk to people to Dubai. I said the problem if you don't know it, you came from Buyenzi. You still have the same friends of Buyenzi. You've never reached to Dubai. You moved to Buyenzi to Dubai. One of the things that preserve us into wisdom. David not a friend to anybody else to Saul. He was a friend of Jonathan. He was able to know what the king is thinking. David was to the wilderness, the stage of training, in order to rule in that wilderness. Let me be a friend. Thou shalt be the king. Jonathan was supposed to be a king. I'm about to tell you a problem. David did not fight against Goliath. He said, what this person gonna inherit as he gonna kill this person? Don't gonna beat this person. When he could not be told something to be given, could not fight against him. They said, number one, you will never pay the tax. Now listen this. Let me explain this. Achayibuka kw'ibikorwa byinshi bamukoresha iwabo ni kugira ngo barungu uburyo bwo kuriha ikori. Acamenya yuko nituva mu ikori ubundi umuntu ashoboye kuragira intama je nkabo widegenze kuko ndashobora ko ndiko ndakorera ikori. David n'était pas un fou. Number two, the king shall give a daughter to be married by him. This is connected by the prophecy that I heard. He told me I'm going to be the kingdom prophet. You can be called a bridegroom of a kingdom. Now David said, according to the